customers. Today we're doing a video with balloons and the vinyl container. So we're gonna add some vinegar, and baking soda and food coloring. So when we add all of those up together, we're gonna see what's happening. We're gonna draw some of the toys in. I drank all the water at the bottle and full. I drink all the water in the container. Oh, that was so hungry. Let me drink some more. Put some vinegar in the bowl. You do the funnel. Now we have red, blue, and yellow, but we tried to put the toys in, but they were too fat. So we're gonna put the red in the first one, and blue. The second one, and put yellow in the third one. So let's take it a little bit to get the color. Now we're gonna get the balloon and get the funnel. Now we're gonna put some of the soda in the balloon. And the last scoop. There, I'm gonna take the balloon off. We're gonna have the yellow one, so we're gonna put the yellow one on the yellow, the blue on the blue one, and the red one on the red one. So let's put it on. So now we have all the ingredients. Let's see.
Wow!
Wow. That was great! My turn. Thanks for watching! Subscribe to our channel!
Okay.